Dear friends, how are you? I'm Sanjeev Pendarkar here again. Today I'm going to discuss about the activity plan. So after fit for duty and personal hygiene agreement, now we'll be talking about social distancing. Dear friends, social distancing means keeping at least 2 meters distance with the person to whom you are interacting with. One meter is 3 feet, 2 meters 6 feet, means 2 meter distance is to be maintained. If that you have done, then whether you have washed your hands and sanitize it and wear hand gloves and mask. Handshake is not compulsory or it's not out of etiquettes if you avoid during corona practices.
Hello dear all, myself Sanjeev Pendarkar, Director of Eco Laboratories. With my 45 years of experience in the field of business management, I am coming up with an online course to guide those individuals who want to become entrepreneur and successful businessman. You can register for the online course through the link given in the description. Thank you very much.
Then the equipment or whatever machinery or the common parts, whether it's a table, paperweight or anything, stapler or any keyboard, whatever you are using and other person is also using, frequently sanitize it, sterilize it so as to avoid spreading viral infection. Now today we are going to discuss about the activity planning. Activity planning is a checklist to ensure all pre-visit activities are planned and followed. Dear friends, planning is the most important thing of any success of any organization. So similarly, you need to plan your visits also. So if the answer is yes, if you agree to the question, click yes. If you don't agree to the question, click no. You can make a note of this. So point number 1 is create the activity plan for the day. Click yes if the plan is created, no if the plan is not created. Second, based on activity plan, identify if there is any requirement of visits to be done. Click yes if the visits are to be done. Click no if visits are not required to be done. Dear friends, nowadays video conferencing option is available. You can do video conferencing on Zoom, Skype. So unless the visit is bare necessity, like doctor visit, only then there is an emergency for the patient. So you need to identify whether the visits are required or not. If visits are not required, please avoid it. Third is revalidate. If the visit is mandatory or highly required, it is a high requirement, other options are available like video conferencing, chatting. Select yes. If visits are mandatory, then you have to select yes. If it's not mandatory, select no. If it can be done on video conferencing, select yes. If it cannot be done on video conferencing, say no. Then check if the location, if you are visiting particular area, whether the location is at high risk, low risk, no risk. Click yes if high risk or low risk and click no or write no if there is a no risk zone. Whether vehicle is sanitized, because unless there is a vehicle, how you can travel? With the public transport, buses and local trains, social distancing cannot be observed. So in our factory we started sending vehicles to people. One day we sent vehicle to Western people, one day Central people club with the South Mumbai people, one day Harbour Line people. So our driver pick up them and drop them after their work is over. So whether vehicle is sanitized. Dear friends, previously there used to be air sanitizers available like air fresheners. But now there is a scarcity due to increase in demand. But don't worry, you can still sterilize or sanitize with alcohol-based sanitizers. Particularly those areas which you are likely to touch frequently like handle, steering wheel or gears or handbrake. Then again wash your hands thoroughly before starting the vehicle. After the vehicle is sanitized, then you can check if the equipment or machinery are sanitized according to protocol or not. If vehicles or machineries are sanitized which you are going to use, click yes. So if you have going to carry out all these tests, then you are ready for visit. Otherwise don't visit because you are fed up sitting at home, or because there is a lot of pending work in the office, banks or anywhere. So dear friends, thank you for patiently listening. Please wait for my next video. If you are not yet pressed bell icon, please press bell icon and I'll be back with you shortly. Please send me your questions. I'll be able to answer the selected questions. Thanks a lot. Bye bye and take care.